Brought to you by popular demand is Action's all-new sprinkler repair plan. Ever wonder if those sprinklers are doing their job while you sleep at night? Ever come home on a hot summer week and notice your grass is wilting, only to find out every sprinkler repair company you call is booked for weeks or even months while you watch your beautiful lawn fading into a crispy brown disaster? We've heard your concern and are excited to introduce our new all-inclusive sprinkler repair plan. With this new program, we are going to automatically visit your property twice each year and perform a preventative maintenance tune-up. And in addition, while we are there, any repairs we find will be taken care of at no additional charge. That's right, no more expensive surprises. Pricing for this plan is very simple. For the basic program, it'll be $15 per month, or for the standard program, it'll be $25 per month. Both of these programs are going to cover up to 4 zones, and if you have more zones, simply add an additional $5 for each zone covered. Got a pump? We have a plan for that too. Let us help you take control of your lawn. As always, some exclusions apply. For complete details and a free, no-obligation estimate, simply give us a call or visit us online at www.actionirrigation.com. We look forward to making your lawn a success.